In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your address on Xero. Changing personal or business information on any online platform can sometimes feel like navigating through a maze. It's important that your business details are up to date, not only for compliance reasons, but also to ensure that communication and invoices reach you without a hitch. Today, I'm going to walk you through updating your address on Xero, a popular accounting software for small businesses. This task, while seemingly straightforward, is essential for maintaining the accuracy of your financial documents and correspondence. First things first, let's head over to Xero's website. Once you find yourself on their homepage, you'll notice a login button at the top right corner. Click on that. This step is your gateway into your personal or business financial world, so make sure you have your login credentials ready. Next, you're going to enter your email and password into the respective fields. These credentials are the keys to your financial castle, so keep them secure and never share them with others. After entering your details, click on Login to proceed. At this point, Xero will verify your credentials, and once everything checks out, you'll be brought to the dashboard of your Xero account. From the dashboard, it's time to navigate to your organization's settings. You can do this by either selecting your organization directly or by clicking on the Settings option. Within Settings, you're interested in finding the Organization Details section. This area contains the core information about your business, including the address we're aiming to update. Upon clicking on Organization Details, you'll be directed to a new page. Here you'll want to look for the Contact Information section. It's in this area that your existing business address is displayed. Take a moment to review the other details listed here as well. It's always a good idea to ensure that all your business information is current. To change your address, simply click into the address field. You'll notice it becomes editable, allowing you to type in your new address. Take your time here to accurately enter your new address details, as this information is important for mailing and legal purposes. It's worth double checking your entry for any typos or inaccuracies. Remember, even a small mistake can lead to big headaches down the line when it comes to receiving essential mail and documents. Once you're happy with the update, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button. Usually it's located towards the bottom or top of the page. After clicking Save, Xero will immediately update your organization's details with the new address you've provided. Congratulations, you've successfully updated your address on Xero. This simple yet important task ensures that your business information remains current, reducing the risk of missing out on important communications or updates. Remember, keeping your business details accurate on all platforms is key to smooth operations and compliance. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Consider setting a regular schedule to review and update your business details across all the platforms and services you use. This proactive approach can save you time and trouble in the long run, ensuring your information is always up to date. That's all for today's tutorial on how to change your address on Xero. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for support or consult Xero's extensive help resources. Stay tuned for more helpful videos on making the most of Xero and other essential tools for your business.